Hi there, it's Marlon here, and I'm excited to have you here. In this video, in two-part series, I'm going to share with you 10 digital marketing tips that you need to know to be successful in today's digital landscape. Tip number 1, know your target audience. Understanding your target audience is key to creating effective digital marketing campaigns. For example, Nike's Better For It campaign targets women who are into fitness and into health. Tip 2, use social media effectively. Social media is a powerful tool for digital marketing. Coca-Cola, for example, uses social media to promote their brand and engage with their audience through campaigns like Test the Feeling. Tip 3, optimize your website. Your website is the face of your brand online. Look at Amazon. Amazon optimizes their website for a seamless user experience, which has contributed to their success. Tip 4, create quality content. Content is king in digital marketing. For example, Airbnb's Live There campaign used high quality content to showcase the unique experiences they offer. Tip number 5, embrace video marketing. Video marketing is on the rise and is not going away anytime soon. Look at Red Bull. Red Bull uses video marketing to promote their brand and engage with their audience through extreme sports videos. That's it for today's video. I hope you found these digital marketing tips useful. Remember, understanding your audience, creating quality content, and embracing new technologies are all key to success in the digital landscape. Thanks for watching and see you next time in part 2.